We do this every season. Sunshades on a sunny day. Doing 80 and we switching lanes. Just keep it cool and chillin' with the bae. Don't call my phone, I hear what you say or what you say. We ain't gotta keep this on the low. Don't do it fast, we can take it slow. Show you things that you ain't seen before. Before you go, you ought to know. I won't be catching feelings.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Trix. Today we're gonna be doing just a live stream, honestly. I could not be asked to record any videos, so I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'll just do a live stream and I'll do some, yeah, I'll just do a live stream today, it's fine. I'm gonna do some monkey type for the first half and then I'm gonna do the rust bit for the second half, just because, yeah, why not? You might be like, oh, I could just make this into a video and like post it and that, but honestly, like sometimes like just uploading to YouTube videos is just annoying and long. Like it takes me like maybe 20 minutes to do each video, and like that's, oh, I'm recording for 20 minutes, then I stop, upload the video, and I can't even like record during that time, because if I start recording again, it like fucks with the process on Chrome and stuff, and I'm like, oh. So I was like maybe 2-3 hours just recording 2 videos, which is great, and there's no editing or anything. So I was like, you know what, live streams are easy. I just live stream, do whatever the fuck I want, record videos, whatever, and then it's Gucci. So we live streaming right now. Anyway, let's do some monkey type. I'm just gonna move my mic over, so you might hear some like echo. Sorry if you do. That's my beat. That okay? Cool. Just shows out my field of view. Anyway, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Forgot to put up the counter as well. If you can't tell, kind of scuffed. Nice. Let's just do extra large just so it's like viewable. There we are. And yeah, it should be fine. Cool. Oh yeah, I just realized I could point this down. Hang on. Could you get the hand cam in there? If I move it over. Ish. You kind of get the hand cam. Like it's. If I move that up. No, if I move this down a bit, maybe. There you are. This is just gonna make it a little bit awkward for me to type. So hang on, let me just move back a bit. And there you are. Cool. Now you get the hand cam. That was 2. I don't know why, but my keycaps feel kind of weird. I don't know why, but my laptop's being very slow. Like, I don't know why. I feel like there's a very big delay in like my the webcam and like actually picturing what I'm doing. I think it's my laptop because I know it's kind of cooked right now. Like, it's not even that hot. I think my laptop's just dying, which is great. If you guys don't know, my laptop just sits here, and I don't know. I think it's kind of getting old. It's like it's not like that old. It's like 3 years old, and it has like a broken hinge, and I use that to record. So I'm thinking of maybe like getting a proper like tower, because when you work, like you're working on a work computer, like in most places they'll just give you a work computer, and like I have monitors now, so I don't really open up my laptop. So Yeah, I'm very tempted to just like buy a tower, but I want to wait until there's a sale and until I have enough money saved up, which is looking a bit techie. But anywho. Fuck. Come on. This lag is very annoying. It does not happen on the MacBook, but it does on my laptop, which is very weird. Goddamn. Ooh. Oh. Now anyway. I wonder now, is that gonna sort everything? I hadn't had my laptop plugged in and I was like, why is it being slow? Probably explains it now. Oh, sick. Let me just check if that's the problem. Oh yeah, that's 100% what was happening. So my screen's not slow anymore, but the stream is probably still slow because my internet is like sussy sometimes. Oh, that's good. One more. There we are. Let me just check my phone for a minute. Oh yeah, I have actual face cam this time. Alright, let's see how fast I can get. That has like no like, oh yeah, I'm flexing or anything. It's my hand, I need to crack my hands. Like I'm still slow, like no matter what. My max is like maybe like 80 on a good day. On a bad day it's like 30. 3, 2, 1, go. $75.95 was wrong. Told you. Bad day is like 30, good day is like 80. Oh, nice. Hang on. There we are. Just responding to my mates. I'm trying to like negotiate what to do on my like holiday. But yeah, I booked some time off, so I was like, oh, you know what? I'll make plans. And then getting everybody to like agree to when to meet up is a bitch, but I'll figure something out. Anyway, let me just organize this for a minute. Hang on. BRB. I don't use my BRB screen for what it's for. I use my BRB screen to like to fix the panels and that, when I should be using it like when I get a text or something. I'm so dumb. Anyway, BRB. There we go. You can see the screen now. Let's do rest. Dealing damage. Cool. How long is this shot? It's not that bad. Let me just open up new of him in. I have many files. Docs. Learning. Programming. Rust Rogue. Hello Rust. SLC. Fuck me. Now that we have monsters, we want them to be more interesting than just yelling at you on this console. This chapter will make them chase you and introduce some basic game stats to let you fight your way through the hordes. By the way, I'm just realizing that I forgot to say this. Oh wait. What is this? This is chapter 6. God damn it. Let me just check on my branch. What did I manage last time? I managed chapter 6, so we're on chapter 7 today. Chapter 6 I done online, offline a while ago, like I think a week or 2 ago. Just because I was like, I can't be asked to live stream. It's like it was like kind of late, like maybe 7 o'clock, and I was like, oh, I need a live stream. I was like, you know what? I'll just do it offline, and then I'll live stream next time. So now, live streaming as always. Anyway, cool. Let's just read through this. The first thing we need to do is finish the base map for map class. So if we pop into a map, where is base map? Here's base map. In particular, we need to support get available exits residues for apartment and map implementation. We need a new helper function in our map implementation. We'll need a new helper function. Let me just see what does this have. Oh, I see. Whoops, come on, Trey. No, I want Chizzy. I'm so used to copying on a Mac, I've forgotten how to copy on a normal one, which is fucking fantastic. Yeah. Actually, it's because you use the mod key on Mac, but you use the what's it called? Up, and then I think you shift down. There we go. But you use the control key on like every other computer. It's just on Mac. It's special when you use your modifier. Sounds like for non-techie people, modifier. Do I need to say that? Like, I'm doing a rest video. Modifier is like your Windows key or your super key. I just realized I just said modifier and then super, like people are gonna know what super is. Like the command key on a Mac or like the Windows key on a Windows PC. That's what a modifier is. Oh, the right key. A modifier is just like any key that could modify the text that you output on the screen. So like the shift key or the FN key, because it modifies the input that you send to the computer. That's how I understood it anyway. This takes index, calculates it, and then implement the trait using this helper. Get available. Let me see. Really? Providing this without a distance heuristic will lead to some type of horrible behavior. The cache feature was all the case that also work for your app. Ew, I'm dumb. Whoops. There. Exit and add it to the exit vector if it can take, and the next email for the main loop in the monster AI system. Cool, let me just boop, boop, boop. There we are, monster AI. Monster name, map and position. Cool. Monster AI, then should I just, yeah, I might as well. I'm just gonna overwrite this whole function because finding where to actually like put it is gonna be a pain. I think it's percentage. No. Oh, which key is it? Because dollar is ender key. I mean ender row. Is it this one? No. This one? No. 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 This one. And this one and this one. There we go. There we are. We've changed a few things to allow right access requested across access to the map. We also added an allow to toggle so that we really did. One type the meat is the A star search call. RTK includes a high performance. There's an A star search call. Oh, this one. Okay. High performance A star Implementation. So we're asking it for a path. By the way, for people that don't know what A star is, I just realized I skipped over that. A star is kind of is a searching algorithm, kind of like Dijkstra's algorithm, binary search. What else? There's A plus, A star, A plus, binary search, Dijkstra. There's a couple others that I can't remember right now, but they're all like different algorithms to help to determine like how they're all different searching algorithms, if that makes sense, to find the quickest path to something, like for example. So we're seeing, let me check the possible season, and there's one of the two steps. Step 0 is always the current location. If it does, then we move to the master to that point. Set the view shed to 30. If you uncover, now chase the player and stop if they lose sight of the site where we're not running. You may not preventing masters from standing on each other. Ah, okay. Let me just cargo. Yeah. It's gonna give me an arrow, isn't it? Yep. CD into hello rest, and then let's see. Come on. Come on. I believe it will run eventually. I lost faith as soon as it like paused. I was like, yeah, nah, you ain't running. I know, I already know you ain't running. I'm gonna build and then run and see what happens. If it doesn't work, I'll overwrite my local project again. Come on. I think that's better by map then. Oh yeah. Check on them. I mean, hold on a second. That was Korean. Sorry. This is going wonderfully. I'm just waiting for it to do something interesting. I think it'll fail, just because normally when you like do a build on Rust, if it's like working fine, it doesn't take that long to actually do a build. But if it's like bad, it will take a while to build, because it'll be like trying to find everything completely wrong with your application. Oh god, it worked. What the fuck? Okay. Was not expecting that, if you can't tell. Hang on, I'm just reattaching this. Oh yeah. Alright, let's have a look. Oh god, what the hell? Oh Jesus. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Come on. I can't escape. They're on me. They're on me. Oh no. No. That's sick there. We don't want monsters to walk on top of each other, nor do we want them to get started. So it's because I haven't updated NV chat in a while, so it's being a bit weird. Oh, let's just go on. Come on. I keep my work config up to date because I use that every day, but obviously my personal one's a bit fucked. Ooh, that's interesting. Let me just check. Cool. Let's see what else. Update. Open, refresh, toggle, packer, sync. I could do packer update. And then TS sync. TS update. Let me just type an update and see what happens. Packer update. Cool. TS update. Cool. Map. Visible tiles blocked. Blocked. Deck. Cool. Tiles, rooms, width, height, revealed tiles, visible tiles, blocked. We'll also initialize it just using the other vectors. Where is that? Net map. Blocked. Vec. False. $80 times 50. There we go. Control C. Let me just pop up here. There we are. There we go. The function is very simple. It's just blocked for tile to true. If it's false, if it's a wall, false. Otherwise, we'll expand it on the when working on the map. That suggests that it's better to use this data. Let me just copy over. There we go. There we go. That's X and Y are within the map. Returning false if the X is outside the map. This type of bounce checking is worth doing. It prevents your program from crashing because you try to read outside of the valid memory area. It then checks the index of tiles array for the specified coordinates and returns the message blocked. Same as not most languages should read it as not blocked as IDX. Now we'll make a new component blocks tiles. You should know the drill by now in components.rs. I love how it's like, you know what I'm about to do, just go ahead and do it. Cool. Let me just nick this. It's yank, and then there we are, and then just change this to there we go. Component debug publisher blocks tile, and then register in the let me just check what I'm registering it. Register, position, render, minister. Cool. Blocks tile. Blocks tile. We should apply blocks tile to NPC, so our NPC creation code becomes like this: GCS create entity with position renderable. Glyph, red, black, viewshed, vec, dirty, monster name. With blocks tile. Cool. Update the blocks list. Blocked list will probably extend the system later, so we'll go with a new generic name, map index system.rs. Cool. Map index system.rs. I'm gonna copy it over because it's not that much. Cool. Map index system .rs. Cool. This tells the map to set up blocking from the terrain and trace all entities with the blocks tile component and applies them to a block list. We need to register with the run system in main.rs. Hold up 1 sec. mob. Ah, cool. I just need the map index. So mod map index system, right? And then use map index system colon map indexing system, right? I'm guessing it's supposed to be like that. Let me check map indexing system. And then in here, I should do let map index map indexing system, and then run now. Where's and self dot ECS, and then there we are. If you cargo run now, monsters no longer end up on top of each other, but they do end up on top of the player. We should fix that. We can make the monsters only yell when it is adjacent to the player. So add this to the visibility test. Okay, cool. I just want to run it right now. So cargo build, just to check I haven't fucked anything up. Because you know me, I fuck up little things, lots of things, all the time. Let's see how it goes. Oh, nice. I'm trapped. Oh, I meant this one. Where is it? Inside of this, but the visibility test. I'm assuming the visibility test is just here. Whoops. Oh, shit. There we are. I knew I could do that. Fucking dumb, aren't I? Lastly, we want to stop the player from walking over monsters. In play.rs, we replace if statement that looks walls with. Cool. Map dot Jesus. Oh no, I'm stuck. It would be nice to be able to bypass the monsters under enemy movement in the mainstay of roguelike, so let's go ahead and support it. Not RS, this is get available exits function, we add them. Let me just do it. There we go. There we go. You also play the RS input code. You might be wondering why I'm just copying over instead of clicking, why I'm highlighting and copying instead of just clicking that copy button. It is because that copy button, there's like hidden code to render this Rust playbook, where if you copy it, it also copies over that hidden code, which I did not know until a while in, and I'm like, why isn't this copying over correctly? And I'm like, oh, that's why. So yeah. You can also run diagonally around, they can move, attack diagonally, giving monsters and players the same some combat stats. You probably guessed by now that the way to add stats to season is with another component. In comparison with combat stats, here's a simple definition. Cool. So, oh shit, wrong one. Sorry. This one. There we go. Inside components, we do. I'm just gonna copy this over. There we go. As usual, don't forget to register it in main.rs. Oh, fuck. Let me just combat stats. With combat stats, max, HP, defense 2, power 5, combat stats, max HP, 16 HP, 16 defense 1, power 4. Indexing was when traveling the map as a player or a map monster, it's really handy to know what is in a tile. You can combine it with the visibility system to make, what's the time right now? 6:25. To make intelligent choices with what can be seen. You can use it to see if you are trying to walk into an enemy space and attack them, and so on. To enter it the position components and see if we hit anything for low numbers of entities that would be plenty fast. We'll take a different approach and make the map indexing system help us. We'll start by adding a field to the map. There we go. This is also quite simple. Iterates visits every vector in the tile content list. Notably, the iter mut obtains a mutable iterator. It then tells each vector to clear itself, remove all content. It doesn't actually guarantee that it will free up memory. Vectors can keep empty sections ready for mail data. This is actually a good thing because acquiring new memory is one of the slowest things a program can do, so it helps keep things run fast. Then we'll upgrade the next system to index all entities by itself. By tile. I'm so dumb. There we are. Most roguelike characters spend a lot of time hitting things, so let's implement that. Bump to attack, walking into the target is kind of a clear way to do this. We want to expand try move player in player.rs. To check to see if a tile we are trying to enter contains a target, we'll add a reader for combat stats to list of data source stores and put in a quick enemy detector. That's missing a colon in the end. Interesting. There we are. Ooh. In player. I'm on chapter 7, damage. I'm in the player the RS. How's it done? Ah, makes sense. Console? Why do I have a console.log? Ah, I'll change it over from theirs to mine after. I think I know what's wrong. It's like it's been moved or something, and their code is now different, so I need to update it. Do this in the easiest way, so there's a little bit of boilerplate and competence. So if we add a component indicating intent to attack. Okay. Let me just read through and then I'll just copy it over from afterwards. Like that's probably the easiest thing I can do. And we also want to track incoming damage. It's possible that you'll suffer damage from more than one source in a turn, and specs don't like it at all when you try and have more than one component on the same type of entity. I love that. Half your project just unread. Oh. Oh, they're calling this a state machine. By the way, this is just a fall through. I'm pretty sure this is just a fall through switch case, no? Yeah, it's just a fall through switch case. So their state machine is just a fall through switch case. Cool. I'm realizing some people might not know what the fall through switch case is. It's basically a switch statement where you, inside that case, so that matching case that you have for that switch statement, you will change the variable that you're pointing to like your case, you will return a different case statement that will lead to the next case, right? So the way that normal switch statements work is it will go one from the top all the way down, checking one by one if it matches, right? So if you return something, or say that the value that is supposed that switch is checking is different, it'll match on the next statement. So you don't need breaks. So if you're doing a normal switch statement, you'll have breaks between them because you're like, oh, you found it, you want to break out, or you want to return. With fall through ones, you will have like a variable like this new run state, and all this is saying is new run state is now the next switch case you want to match on. So it'll go from pre-run, then it'll do pre-run, change new run state to the next switch that it's checking, and then keep going like that. So it'll continue to keep going like that again and again until it's done all the way through, and that's just a full through switch case. Cool. I'm going to copy over the majority of this code because it is tapped how much they changed, which is great and all, but also like, if most of the time I'm fucking things up and I'm like, I have no idea what I've broken, that's great, but you can't see the commit history. I'm pretty sure if I go to the commit history on this, it's not going to show like, oh yeah, this is this that's been changed in this chapter. It's just going to show me the whole like commit history from that, from when this was uploaded. I think the problem with it is mainly that it's not on separate branches. If it was on separate branches, you could just pull a branch and be like, okay, cool, I'm going to compare the branches. Because it's in separate folders, it's a bit more annoying that you can't like see from a different branch what it was on, like what to fix. And this isn't the fault of the creator, obviously, because like with how Rust does the Rust book, you need to have all of them in separate folders. Like that's why this is called Chapter 7 damage, because I'm pretty sure this is called dealing damage, right? Yeah, dealing damage. So if I go into here, is it in cargo.toml? Chapter 7 damage. Oh no, I'm chatting on my ass. He could have put this on branches. He could have 100% put this on branches. Would have made it a lot nicer to actually like edit the code and everything, but oh well. Damage system. Then we got main. Map. Map index system. My map index system is at least okay. I need to do melee, don't I? Yeah. Oh, fuck. Melee system. Melee combat system.rs. Melee combat system.rs. Monster. player, rectangle. Anything been updated in here? You know what, I might as well, just in case. I know this hasn't changed at all, but I might as well just copy it over for consistency. Just so I know if I do run this, I haven't fucked anything up really. Visibility system. How long have this stream for? 1 hour 12 minutes. That's fine. Like 20 minutes of that is me doing monkey type. Cool. Cargo build. Let's have a look. Ooh. Ooh no. What file? Main. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. What have I done? Map indexing system. Cool. Some things are a lot easier to fix when it's like, oh yeah, you had the proper code and you're like, I could probably fix this. Other times I'm like, I have no idea what I'm doing. Just how it goes, isn't it? Let's see how it does. Okay, so what should happen is I should be able to die. So next one I run into, I should be able to die. Come on. You are dead. Nice. Give me a sec. Chapter 7. Problem is dealing damage. Dealing and taking damage. And then literally for this, I'm just going to do list of changes. And I'm going to list off each of the headings. So chasing the player, blocking access, allowing diagonal movement, I realized I should have probably been doing this from the get-go. Because if this site ever goes down, like, hopefully it doesn't, but if this site ever goes down, I want to be able to look through my commit history and be like, okay, cool, what have I done? Letting the player hit things. Player attacking and killing things. Letting the monsters hit you back. Expanding the turn system. Cool. And then note. This is going to be next steps. Is going to be, if it loads, user interface. There we are. Get push. I already have it set the upstream and everything. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave a like video and all that jazz. Otherwise, you know what, I'm just going to shorten my outro. Like and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your day and peace.